Habib University is a beautiful idea, and when Pakistan shows that that can be done, there will be many other countries around the world that can be inspired to make it happen.
Coming together, flying all the way from Houston to participate in this occasion. Humbly, I'm going to request every single member of the family that is here to come up on the stage so that we can thank you properly and acknowledge you.
Thank you so much for providing our family this opportunity to make this humble contribution.
It's in your hands to navigate and make the best of this experience, but you won't find a more caring and a more compassionate community anywhere.